Chris Cuisines, and it's Friday, June 7th, 2024. The time is about 7:24 p.m. 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're in the Chicago Blues Festival, the largest free blues festival in the world, ladies and gentlemen. So they got a few stages here. We're gonna go. My favorite stage is Rosa Lounge, but we're gonna go in and look at the different ones. Let's go over here first. Blues Village. This is Blues Village. Rosa Lounge is in here. It's in here. So let's go to the. And then let's see what's playing today. Wow.
Oh my goodness, put your hands together.
So that was one of the stages. I guess Rosa Lounge is my favorite, but this time it looks different. So let's go to the one right across. There's another stage. And we're in Millennium Park. We're in downtown Chicago. This is the largest free blues festival in the world, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go straight ahead and see what's going on over there. And this is Millennium Park. This is Millennium Park. But I was going to tell you the bean is right on the right, but it's getting renovated, so we can't really see it. All right, let's go straight and see what it says. Mississippi Juke Joint Stage. So this festival is gonna be in this area here for 3 days. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So this is the first day in Millennium Park. So it's called Visit Mississippi Juke Joint Stage, but it looked like it's closed for some reason. Yeah, there's nothing going on over there. There's nothing going on that stage. We may have come a little bit late. All the acts may have been already, but we're gonna go to the big stage and show you the. I mean, you can hear the music. Buddy Guy is supposed to perform also here, but not today. Probably, I'm guessing Sunday. So we're gonna go to the Pritzker Pavilion. I think that's what it's called. This big area here, and then there'll be. You got a band on stage there. We're just gonna come through real quick through here. I'm gonna show you the crowd. This is a lot of people here. Look at this. Look how beautiful this place is. People sitting on the grass and watching the blues live. Take a picture. And then you got the beautiful skyline there. Actually, let's go down this way. See if we can get a glimpse of. Nobody's performing at this moment, but again, I'm showing you the Blues Fest, but I'm not really showing you too many blues acts because it's a little bit late, and they may be having like a break in between. But at least we get to see the people, we get to see the venues. It's just a beautiful weather, 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So I want to make it a short video. So, all right, let's go down this way. Oh, now you can see the bean. There it is, right there. It's getting renovated. So you can see it from a distance. Let's take a picture. There it is, how beautiful this thing is. All right, everyone. I hope you're enjoying the scenery here. Look at the skyline. So there's a lot of music coming from everywhere. But we're not gonna have enough time because I'm gonna continue the Chicago walking video that I started. All right, we got an idea. Okay, we're gonna head out, and we may or may not see the street blues musicians on the street like I did yesterday, and do a separate video there. Oh, a video while we're walking. So you're gonna see at least two videos. The first video, it's a walking video. It started from Michigan Avenue and Erie Street, I believe. And then we stayed on Michigan Avenue, and we came to Millennium Park, called the Blues Fest, and now we're getting out of here. We've been here about 10 minutes. And we headed out because it's a little bit crowded, and I want to continue filming Chicago before it gets dark. All right, we're heading back on Michigan Avenue. This is Michigan Avenue in Washington. So let's see if we have a band playing there. If we do, we may do a quick video. If we don't, we just keep going, and if we're running 20 bands, we just film them. So we're heading out. It's about 7:34 p.m. Okay, we're gonna cross the street. We got the green light. Yeah, there is a band over there, but they're not playing anything. I guess timing is everything. But look at how beautiful Michigan Avenue is, ladies and gentlemen. Taking a picture. And this is Washington Street.
you're all alone. Nobody. Play the blues. Now you feel a little sick, baby, and you know you're home all alone. I don't even want the doctor at my house, so you just suffer till I get home. I don't want to suffer, baby, hanging around my house when I'm not at home. Don't answer the door for nobody, baby, when you know you're home and you're all alone. Harmonica boy. I don't want to soul, baby.